I mean, if you want good footage of the Mini, then do it. Like, if you don't, fuck it.
It keeps me up all night. It feels like we can never stop. It feels like
Yeah, look, he's fucking a goat right there. Look, he's got his pants down banging a goat. And look at this guy, he's like, hey, when's it my turn? Oh, he's just giving it the goat. Bam, 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 bam. He's like, hey, that's my goat, let me get in on it.
Is it working?
Yeah.
We can never stop. Feels like we can never stop. It keeps me up all night. It feels like we can never stop. It feels like we can never stop. It keeps me up all night. It feels like we can never stop. It feels like we can never stop. It keeps me up all night. It feels like we can never stop.
You are notorious for just snapping both.
Are you sure that's where it goes?
No, you put the
How much gas do you have in the tank?
Full tank.
Alright, now what are you doing? Which way does it go in?
Okay, come on, stop slowing this process down. Jesus Christ.
Fuel injector?
Come on, butt plug.
One for the love, one for the plug. I got two.
It actually doesn't go that way, but that's what's up.
How would it not go that way?
You're lying to him.
How do you know I'm lying to
Dang.
you?
Stop lying to the uneducated Mexicans.
Yeah.
Hey, he could fucking...
Yeah.
cut vegetables better than anybody in fucking
I can cut
Valparaiso.
I bet you
Cut vegetables. Be like, vegetable cutting business?
And then he fucking flips fajitas. He's a fajita flipping motherfucker.
You're fajita flipping mother.
Hey, speaking of, his cousin's own fucking that right there. Take a picture of that. El
Amigo.
Well, my truck's gonna be a race truck now, so.
Yeah, it's gonna be a race truck. Alright. The only thing it's gonna race how deep you can put a dildo in his ass.
motherfucker.
I didn't even fucking.
Oh my god.
If anyone sees the hubcap,
We're gonna be in a Gunner's Garage video.
So bad. I ain't never been in one before.
Woo! Sweet line! Woo! Two guys.
It's Critchy Critch, bitch.